All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Impala. It is the beautiful LT model with black interior, V6, alloy wheels, full premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Only 21,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good, your front hood looks good, your front fender looks very nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. Step a heavy scratch here, less than an inch, but it is there. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing, your tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It looks good. It is that two-tone leatherette with like a cloth type interior. Powered seat though. It is a push start system. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Here's, of course, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 21,366. Pretty much completes the tour. It's on the lights. Open up the trunk. Of course, what your rear passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have it on rest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Is your rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Your lid looks good. Your quarter here looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing here. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door, great. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Fender looks good. From passenger rim looks good. Tire thread over 7. Lights are working. Car is running. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Chevy Impala LT model with only 21,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.